by Designed Hanbok, inspired by 2022 Year of the Tiger. Girl wears tiger hat and Chima skirt. Parent cherry blossom. Goreum matches pink and red color. Girl has a joy look and welcomes with open arms. Sky is clear like spring and fresh. The girl is looking for the spring looking and greenery leaves.
Hanbok is Korea's traditional dress. The term Hanbok literally means Korea clothing. Basic structure of Hanbok was designed to facilitate its movement. Hanbok has delicate and soft flow of line and angle. Hanbok has vivid color. Traditional Hanbok has vibrant hues.
Hanbok has nature flowing in curvy line. Nature looking at flowing river and ocean with dancing waves. We see ourselves. We long for freedom. Hanbok has a relaxing space. Relaxing space makes our body to move easily and our mind warm and rich. Hanbok has a harmonious color. Korea with a distinct fall season is a beautiful colorful nation. Hanbok consists of a joggery jacket, Chima skirt, and baji pants. Hanbok can express the harmony of color in balanced way with them.